Hello everyone, it's your Maven of Mystery, and I have an unboxing. I got some mail today, and I've got this big box, and I don't know what's in it. So, we're about to find out now, aren't we? Okay. First of all, a lot of packing paper. Okay. And looks like I've got 3 boxes in here. First one, this is from Feels, this package. Okay, what have I got? Oh, it's the 13th Doctor. I just recently started watching Doctor Who, and this is actually my first season that I've watched Doctor Who, and I like the female doctor. Phil says that I would like the whole series, and so we're going to try to find it. I don't know, is it on Netflix or it's on Amazon Prime? So there she is. Perfect, huh? Nice. I like her earrings. Yep. So I told you before, I'm an out-of-box collector. But I'm going to stick her in her little box right now, because I got other ones to open. So, the next box that I have is white. Okay. And, oops. It is, sorry about that, Wonder Woman from Flashpoint. It's from Hot Topic, and she's wearing Mira's crown. I know a little bit about Flashpoint. Fields has told me. And of course, you know I love Wonder Woman. So, all things Wonder Woman for me. Look at her. Nice. Like a little sword. Like crown. Her cape. She's gorgeous. Going on my shelf. I like her little uniform. Okay. The third box. Oh. It is Harley Quinn. Another Hot Topic exclusive. She looks great. I love her. I love her style. Hold on. Oh. All these boxes all over the place now. God, what a great mohawk. Woohoo. She looks so awesome. Oh my gosh. Well, did I just lose a little bit of light? I don't know. So, put her on her stand. I'm going to put them all on your stand. Oh. Oh, there's only one hole. It won't be as confusing as it is for me usually. There we go. She's on her stand. I like her earrings too. She looks very punk. Watch me play with my... Ooh, this is another one with just one hole. So, Hot Topic knows what kind of disabilities I have. There we go. So nice. Oh. Okay. Okay, I'll take the doctor out too. Everybody gets to come out of their boxes. So did they all start just doing one hole in the foot, Matthew? How many feels? Well, I like it better that way. So they can keep doing that. There she is. So there you have it. This is my unboxing. My gift from Feels. Because he knows I like all these people. And I hope you enjoyed my video. Hope you come back again soon. And I don't know, happy holidays, pre-holidays. I'll see you later.